Hi friends, welcome. I am here today in Sweetwater, which is one of our wonderful villages here in Lakewood Ranch. And I would like to highlight for you today the Calusa floor plan, a very popular floor plan here in Sweetwater, and give you some updates about what's going on here. So if this is something of interest to you, please stick around for all of the details. Hi, I'm JJ Williams with Saunders and Company, and on this channel, Living in Lakewood Ranch, we talk about all things Lakewood Ranch and the surrounding areas. And today, I wanted to highlight our wonderful village of Sweetwater. Sweetwater is a village in Lakewood Ranch that is under construction. It will be 502 homes when fully completed. And it's in the northeast corridor of Lakewood Ranch, so north of State Road 70, off of Uline Road. They offer single-family homes here and paired villas. And the entire community is built by MI Homes. One of the things I like about MI Homes is some of their very nice included features. So I'm in a model, so you can see all of these beautiful upgrades. Who doesn't love that? And I love to actually do videos in front of the kitchen. I always am drawn to the kitchen, as many people are. I love the bold contrast here, the white cabinetry and the dark navy blue cabinets and the soft tan flooring. This is actually tile plank flooring. Looks really a lot like wood, but the 42-inch cabinets, that's included. That is an included feature with MI Homes. Also, 8-foot doors is something that's included. All of the homes here have tile roofs, paver driveways, paver screened inland ice. These are all included features. It is a gas community. So your stove, the hot water heater is gas, and also it is piped for a gas dryer. Now that brings me to what is not included, which is important to know. Washer, dryer, it's on you. Refrigerator, that's something that you would also have to purchase after closing. The Calusa floor plan, like I was saying, it's just under 2,200 square feet at 2,195 square feet. This particular model was built as a 4-bedroom, but very popular is to build this as a 3-bedroom with a den. So the den would have French doors off of the foyer in lieu of the bedroom. It's a 1-story home. So to build a Calusa here in Sweetwater, if you came in today and you wanted to build this home, the build time would be 9 to 11 months. So we're here in December. And so if you started today, you would be in here for a season next year. So that's very nice. I also just heard from the sales center that they are just starting to offer pool building with the build again, which has been rare these last few years. So it's so nice to see that as an option. It's so much nicer to be able to, if you want a pool, to build it with the house. So it's strictly for their River series that they're offering this right now. And the base price for this house is $547,990. And then, of course, you would need to buy your lot. So you'd have a lot premium with that. And then you go to the design center for your upgrades. And then typically for this house, what they're seeing is that they're selling currently in the mid to upper 600s. So that's realistic. And then, of course, a pool is a little bit, jump up there in addition. So that is the big update that I have for you on Sweetwater. They are actually having a grand opening for their amenities center today. So all of the residents are really excited. And they're going to have a big party over there with food trucks, and they're doing an outdoor viewing of Elf, and, all very excited. So hope this was enjoyable and interesting. And if you would like some more information about Sweetwater or Lakewood Ranch, I would love to hear from you. So I'm going to put a link in the description below. JJ Williams, Saunders and Company.